Just got your new noise earbuds? Let's get you set up. Before we begin, make sure that your smartphone and earbuds are next to each other and the earbuds are fully charged. Done? Let's start. Power on. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. These earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Take out the earbuds from the charging case. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device and open the Bluetooth menu. Now select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Earbuds. Your earbuds are now paired and ready to use. Music control. To play or pause, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To go to the next song, tap the right earbud 3 times. To go back to the previous song, tap left earbud 3 times. Volume control. To increase the volume, tap the right earbud once. To decrease the volume, tap the left earbud once. Call controls and voice assistant. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, tap either left or right earbud once. To end a call, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To reject an incoming call, touch and hold either left or right earbud for 2 seconds. Activating voice assistant. In order to activate Google Assistant or Siri on your Android or iPhone, touch and hold either left or right earbud for 2 seconds. Resetting your noise earbuds. If you're having trouble with your noise earbuds, try resetting on the following steps. Before resetting, make sure that your earbuds are fully charged and disconnected from other Bluetooth devices. On your paired devices, remove or delete earbuds from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. Place the earbuds inside the charging case. Touch and hold the earbuds for 6 seconds or until the white LED flashes quickly. Your earbuds have now been reset and are ready to be paired.